Welcome to a captivating journey into the heart of Jamaica, where even a simple rainfall can paint a whole new picture of the vibrant cities of Kingston, Montego Bay, and Negril. We invite you to share our excitement and curiosity as we set out on this thrilling exploration. Let's cast our gaze over the enchanting cityscape of Kingston, where each corner has a story to tell, a memory to share. The glistening streets of Montego Bay, reflecting the warmth of the city, beckon us with an irresistible invitation. The rain, often seen as a dampener of spirits, transforms into an artist in Negril, crafting a vibrant tableau that is as mesmerizing as it is unique. Each drop that falls adds an extra hue, an additional dimension to these cities' pulsating rhythm. The raindrop's journey from the cloud to the ground encapsulates the essence of in these Jamaican cities, energetic, vivacious, and full of surprises. This is not just a spectacle to witness, it's an experience to immerse yourself in. The rain offers a chance to explore the Jamaican cities from a distinct perspective. It brings out the unfiltered beauty of Kingston, the charm of Montego Bay, the vibrancy of Negril, their streets, their people, the local food vendors in Kingston, the bustling markets of Montego Bay, the awe-inspiring architecture in Negril, the vibrant graffiti, all take on a different character under the rain's gentle touch. The people's spirit, their indomitable will, their smiles, everything seems heightened in the rain. A simple walk down the streets of Negril turns into a memory that you will cherish forever. The laughter of children playing in the rain in Kingston, the shared umbrella with a stranger in Montego Bay, the hot cup of cocoa from a roadside cafe in Negril, all become cherished memories. The rain in these Jamaican cities is not just about getting wet. It's about understanding the rhythm. The pulse of the every raindrop that falls paints a unique narrative of these cities, adding depth and color to their already vibrant texture. Rain brings with it a sense of tranquility, a sense of joy, a sense of belonging. We invite you to embark on this fascinating journey with us, to experience the magic that the rain brings in Kingston, to understand the city's pulsating rhythm in Montego Bay, to feel the city's heartbeat in Negril. So join us as we explore the magic of discovering Jamaican cities in the rain. As the rain descends upon the vibrant cities of Ocho Rios, Port Antonio, and Spanish Town, each droplet becomes a prism, refracting the unique hues of Jamaica's diverse urban landscape. Streetlights shimmer in puddles, painting a mesmerizing tableau on the rain-kissed pavement of Ocho Rios, a scene of pulsating life and beauty. The cityscape of Port Antonio, once familiar, transforms with the arrival of rain, casting a serene and poetic ambiance over the urban expanse. Meanwhile, Spanish Town receives each raindrop as if narrating a unique story, inviting us to listen, to observe, and to embrace the extraordinary symphony that unfolds where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Venturing into the heart of Falmouth in the rain unveils a world cloaked in a new kind of magic. The hustle and bustle of Jamaican streets from Lucia to Savannah Lamar gain a rhythmic quality, as the patter of raindrops weave an enchanting symphony with the cities. The rain washes over the cityscape, casting a fresh perspective on familiar sights and transforming the mundane into the extraordinary. Streets, once simply a means to an end, become stages for the dance of raindrops, each one a tiny performer in this urban ballet. Iconic landmarks of these cities, bathed in the soft glow of a rain-soaked day, take on an ethereal beauty, their grandeur enhanced rather than dimmed. As we, these rain-kissed streets, every turn holds a promise of discovery, every corner a new secret to unveil. This is Falmouth, Lucia, and Savannah Lamar as you've never seen them before. A masterpiece painted by the each moment is an immersive and unforgettable urban exploration. The rain bestows a serene and ethereal quality upon the natural and architectural wonders of Mandeville, draping them in a shroud of liquid silver. The verdant parks of Old Harbor glisten with a fresh vitality, and each raindrop that hits the city's iconic buildings adds another note to this urban symphony. It's a symphony that plays out across the cityscape of Portmore, transforming the familiar into the extraordinary, the everyday into the magical, creating a captivating and enchanting urban tapestry. Immersing in the urban fabric of St. Anne's Bay in the rain offers a unique and intimate experience. Imagine the cozy ambiance of local cafes as the rain taps gently on the window, the inviting scent of books in a quiet bookstore in Linstead, or the vibrant energy of cultural hotspots in Maypen, all enhanced by the rhythm of the rainfall. Every rain-kissed corner of these cities whispers a story, waiting to be discovered. Each moment is an invitation to savor the rain-enhanced experience in these distinctive Jamaican locales. As we reach the finale of our rain-soaked symphony, we are left in awe of the serene and enchanting allure of Jamaican countryside drenched in rain. Our journey takes us through Halfway Tree, over to Constant Spring, and finally ends in Morant Bay. The patter of raindrops against the window pane, the vibrant reflections in the puddles on the streets, and the soothing rhythm of these cities in the rain. All these elements come together to create a unique melody. A melody that whispers, "Come explore," where each moment in these places is an immersive and unforgettable urban adventure. Please subscribe for more rainy day adventures across the globe, and don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.